guys, hello Malaysia, thank you so much for watching and welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, my name is Nephi, I'm a vocalist and I'm a YouTube reactor. Today I will be reacting to this video that you guys have requested. It is a duet between Azlan, Typewriter, and Syamel. So I know both singers. Azlan and Syamel was the dude who had a duet with Ernie Zachary, and I know that he slays. Azlan as well is very good singer. He was able to sing with Jana Zen, if I'm not mistaken, and dude is legit. So this time they will be having a duet with the song Sambutlah, Kasih. I'm really excited to watch this, guys. So without further ado, let's go and watch this video. 1, 2, 3. Shout out to TV3 Malaysia official for this video. I hope I'm not getting a copyright strike on this one. Nice stage. Please Malaysia, don't give me a strike. I'm just granting the request of my Malaysian friends. Please.
Tak pernah ku menduga
That's Syamel, I think.
jiwa sesat di dada. Aku jatuh dan aku
goodness, harmony.
kepastian.
I love this.
Bagaimanakah nantinya
I'm gonna love this, guys.
aku dapat meyakinkan
Dynamics.
rasa cinta di hatiku.
Syamel is very technical, guys. I'm telling you.
Dalam sinar matamu, kenangan duka masa lalu, kepasrahan.
Their voices complement each other so much. I mean, it's so good.
Hiraukan panas mentarilah demi cinta, ku rela menanti. Walau bagaikan melanda,
I'm sorry, guys.
ku tetap setia.
Oh my gosh.
Dalam dukamu yang silam, ulur tanganmu sambut kasihku.
Texture, guys.
Mari bersama kita melangkah membina cinta abadi.
This is epic, guys. I'm telling you. Whoever suggested for this video, thank you so much. You know. They're looking neat, actually. Dude, I love Syamel's voice, guys. There's some natural. I'm so done right now.
Walau badai melanda 1000 tahun, ku tetap setia.
Are you kidding me? Syamel, dude, what is wrong with you? They're so good.
Lupa.
Oh my. I'm so done, guys.
Dukamu yang silam.
Azlan, dude, come on.
Tanganmu sambut kasihku.
I feel like crying. I don't know why.
Bersama kita melangkah
right now.
1000 tahun ku tetap setia. Lupakanlah dukamu yang silam.
Oh my goodness.
Sambut kasihku, mari bersama kita melangkah membina cinta abadi.
I forgot to breathe actually at some point. Oh my goodness. Why, guys? Why do you have to do this to me? Why? Like, where are their voices coming from? I would not lie, guys. That was the best vocal of a male duet for me. Like, best vocal performance of two male singers. Like, oh my goodness. Syamel and Azlan, I did not expect this. I was just like expecting something good, and like, cause I know that they're great singers, and this is beyond my expectation, guys. That was just perfect. Oh my gosh. I need to rest, guys. Like, after this, probably I have to rest for an hour before I make my other reaction videos. I'm so drained right now. I don't know. That performance was so convincing. I did not understand a single word, but I feel them. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, these kind of singers are the singers that really deserve the spotlight, guys. I'm telling you. I am telling you. Malaysia, what is in your water? Like, what is in your food? Tell me, tell me, tell me. I would not lie. There's no Filipino singer, I mean male artist from the Philippines, who could sing as good as Azlan and Syamel. I'm not gonna lie, because we're more into a different kind of genre when it comes to male singing. We're into the R&B stuff, and that soulful rendition of this song was just epic for me, guys. They killed it, literally and figuratively, whatever. They're just so good, guys. Oh my goodness. There you go. You slayed me. You were successful in slaying me. Thank you so much, Malaysia. Thank you so much. Okay? So, if you have more videos of these singers or other singers from your country that you want me to react to, just comment them right down below. You know the drill. And you can also send me a message by my Twitter and my Instagram account, because I'm more active in my Instagram and Twitter, guys. And yeah, just make sure to follow me before you make your requests, okay? And if you like this video, please do give this video a thumbs up so I will know if you guys like this kind of videos. And if you like my channel and you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe, because it really means a lot to me, guys. And thank you so much for helping me reach 30,000 subscribers. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much, and I hope to see all of you on my next videos. Okay,